name is Randy Leon. We're in Little Pine Restaurant in Silver Lake, California. So we have an apple stuffed cabbage roll, an apple sausage stuffed cabbage roll on top of a parsnip puree with a 3-bean salad and some crispy parsnip chips. The stuffing is a jackfruit based sausage. It's mounted with a little caramelized apple, caramelized fennel, as well as some fennel pollen. All right, so we're gonna heat up our parsnip puree. This is gonna go on the bottom of the plate. It's parsnips cooked down with a little bit of vegan cream and a little bit of salt. And we're just letting the parsnip shine for what it is. Welcome to Little Pine. So here we have our cabbage rolls. This is our stuffed cabbage rolls. So we blanch Savoy cabbage leaves. These right now I think are green cabbage. We stuff it with a jackfruit apple sausage that we make in-house as well. The jackfruit is ground up, so it's kind of similar to pork, ground pork. A little bit of brown sugar and butter. And it's also mixed in there with a little bit of buckwheat. Nice and hot pan. Do a little bit of oil in the pan. We're doing this off heat so that we're not gonna catch a little backdraft in there. You don't want to scorch the oil, but we do want to sear off those greens. Right back on there. Manipulate the oil a little. We're looking for a nice sear on there. A little color. Just gonna try to sear all sides right there. So the outside's cooked, obviously. The inside we want to heat up a little longer. We're going to steam that off. A little bit of water, cover that guy, lower the heat. While that's steaming, we're going to build our salad. We have some small diced apples, a little bit of lovage, some 3-bean combination here, olive oil and lemon juice. We're going to start with our beans. Throw those guys in. These, we have a little bit of cow bean, a little bit of red bean, a little bit of lovage. So lovage is like a wild celery. A little apple. I like the flavors of, it's got more of a wild, herbaceous tone as opposed to celery where it's a little more liquidy, a little more watery. It's a little drier, a little more of that undertone of herb. Splash a little lemon juice. A little bit of olive oil. And we'll finish that off with a pinch of salt. So now we're gonna go right into the plate with that parsnip puree, nice and velvety. And again, we're gonna build right on top of that with our lovely cabbage. Oh, actually, first comes our bean salad. This is going to add a little brightness and a little more protein content. Cabbage right on top. Got 2 and 1. There we go. And then to finish it off, we're going to add a little more texture to that. That'll be with our sun-choked chips. Do it right up top, all around. add some chimichurri. It's a nice finish. This is a Fresno pepper chimichurri. This is our stuffed apple sausage cabbage rolls on top of a parsnip puree with a 3-bean salad.